it's raining outside, but me and my buddy, my best friend, that we've been playing basketball for many years, we're going to play outside right now. So don't let your things ruin your day because of the weather. So don't look at the weather and say, oh, it's raining outside, I don't feel good about myself, or I don't feel like going. Just go for it. Maybe it'll be fun. It won't be as safe, but you will feel different in a way that you want to see yourself in the future pushing yourself. So have a wonderful day.